Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing another unboxing video. I seem to be on a little bit of a roll with these videos at the moment, so I thought why not do the watch as well. This came about half an hour ago. So currently I'm on a Series 5 and it's the 40mm screen and it's rose gold and I absolutely hate it. This was from 2019, so I thought it was definitely time for a new one. Okay, let's get into the unboxing. Oh, so satisfying. Honestly, Apple and their packaging is just part of the experience. Like, they think of every little detail. I'm just gonna move this out the way. So you've got your strap and then obviously the watch. Let's get into the watch first. I do that in every unboxing, I'm like, just throwing it everywhere. Are you ready? Ah, there she is. Oh my god. She's so cute. Oh, I'm so happy. Oh my god. Oh, the screen is so nice. There's the screen. All shiny and new. And then in here we've got obviously instructions, things like that. And then, is this a fast charger? Because I feel like it should be. Oh my god, it is. It's the fast charger. Oh, thank god. So now I'm just gonna unbox the watch strap. Back with these stickers. It's so hard when you've got nails on, you know, honestly. I didn't realise. Oh, I love that colour. Just gonna take these out. Oh, satisfying, satisfying. They literally think of every detail, from taking the watch strap out the packet. Like, Apple, stop it, because you're costing me a lot of money. So these are the bands. Obviously you've got the small and then the medium and large ones as well. Okay, right, I'm going to set this up and then I'll come back to you and we can talk about specs, and I'm going to compare this old one to the new one. So I've finally set the watch up and I am obsessed. Oh my god. I was a bit worried in case it was too big for my wrist, but actually it's fine because I've got chubby wrists anyway. So just to give you a size comparison of the two, there they are. Obviously the Series 8 is black and the Series 5 is the gold. And I'm so happy that I got the bigger size, honestly. The main reason why I got the black watch is for the temperature tracking, because I really want to start tracking my sleep, because I do mostly work over night time. So I go to bed like maybe around 3-4 a.m, which is not good, I know, but I feel most productive when I'm editing at night. So another thing you can do with the Series 8 is you can track your ovulation cycle. Now, to compare it to the Series 5, on the back, on the sensors, you can see the Series 8 now has the temperature sensors on the back. So that is it. That is the end of the video. Short and sweet as always. I just want to say quickly as well, thank you so much for all the views and the likes on my unboxing M2 Pro video, because I didn't expect it to do that well, if I'm honest. I only had one camera angle and it just could have been better. I just rushed the video because I was too excited to get into the laptop. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every single one of you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! Unable to connect to your Apple Watch, that's because it's not switched on yet, love. This is what you don't see in the iJustine videos. It's all this messing around. She just comes back, it's all fixed, all sorted. Don't see any of this behind the scenes, do you? See? Just Just gotta keep it real, haven't I? Oh, it's coming on. It's coming on. It's about time. I haven't got all day. Got videos to film.